Welcome back, Printverts. We are back with another filament unboxing and initial review. Let's go over to the side cam so you can see this. Here's what we got today. We have the BuMat 3D printer filament. Once again, another Amazon purchase. Cheapest filament I could find. Let's come over here, pull this up. Oh, where did it go? Oh, everything moved around on me. My new fancy remote. There it is. Alright, there it is. See, I got it on Amazon. Boy, that's hard for me to read. I believe that was... yeah, $15.99. It's probably one of the cheapest filaments I have ever purchased. So, yeah, this is another PETG. Just once a week, grabbing whatever I can find that's the cheapest, the stuff we normally try to avoid, just because we don't know it. And we're going to see what it looks like, what it smells like, maybe what it tastes like, what comes in the box, and then we'll do our standard 3 little prints, and we'll see how this initially goes. So let's go back over to our side cam. Alright. BuMat 3D printer filament. Let's see what it says on the side. 3D printer filament, PETG, FDM. Warning, this product can expose you to chemicals including acrylonitrile. Oh, I'm not even going to try. Which is known in the state of California to cause cancer. Well, what isn't? 1.75 millimeter PETG filament, 1 kilogram, blue, made in China. Print temperature 220 to 240. Bed temperature 80 degrees. What do we got on the back? Available BuMat filaments are PLA, PLA Pro, ABS, ABS Pro, PETG, HIPS, high speed PLA. Interesting, I have not heard of high-speed PLA. PLA color change, PVA, PP, PA, nylon, PC, flexible, elastic, wood, metal filled. You can find them at www.bumatusa.com. Made in China. Keep dry, protect from heat, recycled packaging. Well, that's nice. Reach compliant. Here on this side, just BuMat 3D printer filament. Nothing on the bottom, nothing really different on the top. So let's see what we got inside. All right, nicely shrink wrapped. I do see the first issue. Box was not crushed. Yep, let's double check that. Yeah, box is not crushed anywhere. Every edge looks fine. We have a little bit of a crunched spool right there. Minor, but you know, we're reviewing everything, so let's pop it open, see what we got. What does it say here? Well, it's got lot numbers. That's nice. Let's see if this will pull open. Nope, not gonna pull open. Forgot the scissors. Grab our diagonals. Ooh, boy, that was a tough bag. There we go. Even though I got a razor blade knife right there, not that bright. Even though this light is. Got our silica gel, little pieces of broken plastic, and a spool. Oh, this is a pretty blue. I like it. That's really rich. What do we say? BuMat 3D printer filament, PETG, color blue, diameter 1.75. Print speed 60 to 90 millimeters a second. You don't see that on most of these, at least not the ones I've gotten so far. Printing temp 220 to 240. 1 kilogram. It does have feet and grams left, going from 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. And then we have 220 feet, 340 feet, 450 feet, 560 feet, 670 feet, 780 feet, and 890 feet. Handy. Nothing on the backside. Interesting. I've never gotten a spool that had holes like that through it. That must be from their winder. I do like that you can see through these spools, but they sure do seem like a lot of wasted plastic. I thought we were getting into reusable spools and cardboard spools, but that apparently is not the case. Alright, let's see what it feels like. Wow, no brittleness whatsoever. Not even there on the end. That's really nice. Let's do the smell test. It smells blue. No, it does not smell blue. It smells kind of finally. Yeah, all these filaments do have a different smell to them. Let's see what we got on diameter here. Make sure I'm getting it in there. That says 1.5. That says 1.7. 1.6. 1.7. 1.6. 1.6. 1.6, 1.6, 1.6. What do we got for the spooling? The spooling is nice and pretty even. Not perfect, but not as bad as some that we have gotten, but I still haven't had a jam on those yet. So, all right. Of course, we do have this one big crush spot right here, which is right where you're supposed to put the filament through to hold it. All right. Man, that is a heavy spool. All right, so we will throw this over. There we go. That was probably a better one to see everything. Apologize about that. So we will pause this for a moment, throw this on the printer, do our standard prints that we have been doing. And we'll come back in a few minutes and see how they did. Hopefully it is a good print. So y'all stand by. I'll be right back. All right, welcome back, everybody. All right, that wasn't too bad. This came out really nice. I did cheat a little. Let's see, this was the first one, the first Benchy I printed. You can see I had some issues, but I've actually been having those on the other prints, so I knew it was actually my slicing. Tweaked my cooling a little bit, so that one ended up going to garbage. And since we're coming up on Easter, and was it Fix'em Dude out there, and Subsector 3D have decided to troll Chris Perillo, we actually printed a Peep Benchy. Isn't that cute? This one came out absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. I need to get a little side light over there for this guy. So yeah, super happy. Detail looks nice. The archways are absolutely perfect. Way better than this one, where I was having the same issues on the other. So now that I've got a really good slice profile, which I probably should have done that on the first one, but yeah, live and learn. Yeah, absolutely perfect. Really happy with it. Really happy with it. All right, let's go over to the calibration cube. Once again, absolutely perfect. 225, 80 degrees, 20% infill. The only thing I really did to tweak my slicing profile is to, the others were printed with no cooling. This starts on like the fourth layer. I think you're right about the fourth layer. But yeah, absolutely perfect. Probably one of the nicest cubes I've ever printed, especially in PETG. Really, really nice. Really happy with that. So we'll go ahead and throw this guy in the garbage. And of course, our Stacko Kitty. Stacko Kitty came out almost absolutely perfect. Super nice detail in the whiskers. The edges are all nice and sharp. The tail got a little cleaner. I don't know if y'all can see that. There is a little bit of a issue at the very bottom of the tail, but that's of course that print head that I have on there right now only has cooling on one side, so this side looks absolutely perfect, but that side just on the underhangs, no supports obviously, a little bit, but yeah, feet look better. Adhesion was perfect. Corners are nice and sharp and square. Absolutely beautiful Stacko Kitty. Once again, that was the PETG. Yeah, really. And we will go ahead and add him to our new little benchy carousel. Where should we put him? Where should we put him? I think we'll put him right there. Yeah. So, and of course, we'll probably, till we are coming up on Easter, so next couple of days we'll probably print all these with the Peep Benchy, just because we all know Chris Barillo hates peeps. So if you're out there, let's make it a thing. I'll actually put a link in the description where you can download this from printables. And once again, I believe that was Fix'em Dude created that, and that's probably one of the best things I've seen on the internet. And to see when it went live and how much it annoyed Chris. So if y'all can, y'all go out and print one. I got a few more printed in the background. That's what you're hearing. And we'll also flesh out this carousel. I think this is one of the coolest things ever. You can find this on Tinkercad. I'll go ahead and throw that in the description link as well. So, all right. Whoa, I'm going to spill them. So y'all have a good one, and we will catch you next Filament review, hopefully here in a few weeks. Or actually, a few days. Have a good one.